my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. Welcome to the room of people who have rooms of people that they love one day docked away. Just because we check the guns at the door doesn't mean our brains will change from hand grenades. You laughing on the psychopath sitting next to you. You laughing on the murderer sitting next to you. You think I'd get here sitting next to you. But after all I've said, please don't forget. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. We don't deal with outsiders very well. They say newcomers have a certain smell. Yeah, trust issues not to mention. They say they can smell your intentions. You laughing on the freak show sitting next to you. You laugh some weird people sitting next to you. You think I did not get here sitting next to you. But after all I've said, please don't forget. All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know. Please don't make any sudden moves. You don't know the half of the abuse. Why'd you come? You knew you should have stayed. I tried to warn you just to stay away. And now they're outside ready to buzz.
This war we fight, it goes through the night, till the morning of fallen soldiers. Standing angels, we stand upon their shoulders. About Cold War they told us, peace, be still. Peace is not far away. It's not far from where we are today. This war we fight with the might of the Almighty. So even on dark days, this light will guide me. A life given for another is time used wisely. I speak for the sisters and brothers, Isley. Between the sheets of humanity, our families that dealt with calamity, and veterans that fight for their sanity. We celebrate them not only annually, but every day is a way to salute those in fatigue and boots, the mother and fathers of those troops. The mission is to harmonize like old groups. This war we fight is for our young, so that our young we can recruit to be teachers, lawyers, architects, writers, fighters for a higher purpose, becoming fine young women and men of service, serving each other and the Mother Earth that birthed us, serving a God that truly knows what their worth is. So for all veterans, I say these verses. Because of what you contribute, we pay tribute. And those of you who left, us you still live through. Because this war we fight is everywhere, all over. And in this war, we are all soldiers.
Land of bear and land of eagle, land that gave us birth and blessing, land that called us ever homewards. We will go home across the mountain. We will go home, we will go home, we will go home across the mountain. We will go home, we will go home, we will go home across the mountain. Land of freedom, land of heroes, land that gave us hope and memories. Hear our singing, hear our longing. We will go home across the mountain. We will go home, we will go home, we will go home across the mountains. We will go home, we will go home, we will go home across the mountains. Land of sun and land of moonlight, land that brought us joy and sorrow, land that gave us love and laughter. We will go home across the mountain. We will go home, we will go home, we will go home across the mountains. We will go home, we will go home, we will go home across the mountains. When the land is there before us, we have gone home across the mountain.